It's not going to brighten your skin. It doesn't really have any ingredients that's going to brighten your skin. Yes, niacinamide is a mild brightening ingredient, but this is not something you should rely on when it comes to brightening your dark spots, or evening out your skin, or brightening up your face. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. So today I'm going to be doing a review of this face wash. This is the Ceramide Skin Barrier Complex Oil Control face wash. This face wash, I've been using it for a while, and I just want to come and drop my own honest review on this face wash. So this face wash, is part of the FaceFact line of face washes. This one is the one that is for oil control. This one is the one that contains hyaluronic acid and also niacinamide. So I'm going to be talking about what this product actually claims that it's going to do. I'm going to be telling you if it actually delivers what it claims to deliver. So first of all, this is actually the FaceFact Skin Barrier Complex Oil Control Cleanser. Contains 5 ceramides, which is very, very good. This is like a dupe for the CeraVe one, and one thing I love about this particular one, is that it contains 5 ceramides. The CeraVe one contains only 3 ceramides, so this one is like very, very good when it comes to skin barrier protection, helps to strengthen your skin barrier, and this one also claims to be oil control. So because of the niacinamide, that niacinamide helps to control your oil, helps to regulate oil production, and this one is also very, very good when it comes to oil control. I noticed that it actually did help to control oil production on my skin, because I have very, very oily skin. So this is actually something that worked for oil control. It said it deep cleanses oily, blemish prone skin, and also helps strengthen your skin's protective barrier. They said it's dermatologically tested and also fragrance free. So this product, it claims that it's going to help clean out your pores, refine your pores, help to regulate oil production, and also strengthen your skin barrier. One thing I noticed about this cleanser is that it actually helps when it comes to oil control. It actually helps to control oil on your skin. It helps make your skin clean. It actually cleans your skin very, very well. A lot of these cleansers these days do not really cleanse your skin, but when you use this, your face feels very, very clean without feeling stripped. Your face doesn't feel so stripped. When you use all these harsh soaps on your face and your face is feeling dry and tight, this one cleans your face very well, but it doesn't make your face feel stripped. And also it contains 5 ceramide, and I noticed when I was using it, my face did not feel sensitive, because I have very, very sensitive skin. When I use something that is harsh, I would know, like, my face will basically start being sensitive, especially my nose area, especially this area. So this is actually something that I noticed. It didn't give me any sensitivity, and it also helped to control oil, which it claims. Also contains hyaluronic acid, meaning that it's something that is going to help hydrate your skin, help to plump your skin, because that is actually what hyaluronic acid does. This face wash contains niacinamide, squalane, glycerin, and also citric acid. One thing about this face wash is that it is not going to brighten your skin. So if you're someone that you have dark spots, you're looking for something that is going to brighten your skin, this is not going to brighten your skin. This is just an oil control cleanser. It is not going to brighten your skin. It doesn't really have any ingredients that's going to brighten your skin. Yes, niacinamide is a mild brightening ingredient, but this is not something you should rely on when it comes to brightening your dark spots, or evening out your skin, or brightening up your face. And because it does not have any fragrance, this is fragrance free, it is going to be amazing for people with sensitive skin. So if you're someone with sensitive skin, this is actually something you should look into getting, because it is fragrance free and also dermatologically tested. So this product is actually good for people that have combination skin and also oily skin, because it controls oil. If someone with dry skin uses this, it is not going to be good, because you do not really produce a lot of oil. Your skin doesn't really have a lot of moisture. So if you're using something that is now reducing the little oil that your skin produces, your skin is going to be super, super dry. So this is only good for people that have combination skin and also oily skin. This is something that someone with an oily skin can use as an everyday cleanser, or someone with a combination skin can use as an everyday cleanser, because it has very, very mild soothing ingredients, and also the oil control that it has is very, very good when it comes to reducing the oil that your skin produces, so you will have less breakouts. So this is not something I would recommend to someone that has dry skin or normal skin. This is best for people with combination skin and also oily skin. And also this cleanser foams very, very, very well. As you can see, it says foaming cleanser. It foams really well. A little goes a long way and actually cleanses your skin. That's actually one thing I love. It cleanses your skin. It is very nice. I did not notice a reduction in my pore size like they claim that, oh, it helps to refine your pores. I did not notice, my pores looking smaller or anything. So that is actually one thing I didn't experience with this. But when it comes to the oil control, when it comes to the strengthening your barrier support, your skin barrier, I noticed that when it comes to your skin looking better, when it comes to your skin looking clearer, yes, I actually experienced that, but I did not experience my pores looking smaller or any of that. And also, this retails for 8,500 naira. I got this for 8,500 naira. They have, this is the 400 ml. They have the one that comes in a 200 ml. That one they said is 6,500 naira. So I did not understand why 200 ml is being sold for 6,500 and then the 400 ml is being sold for 8,500 naira. So that is actually why I got this one, because it was better deal. It saves more money. So if you want to get this, just budget between like 7,500 naira to like 9,000 naira. Like if you see it for 10,000 naira, that is actually very expensive. This will last you for a very long time because a little goes a long way and it's also big. So this is actually a very good cleanser. I will recommend this cleanser for oily skin people, combination skin people. Please, if you're dry skin, don't use this because your skin is going to become super dry. You can try the hydrating cleanser from FaceFact because that one is meant for dry skinned people. This one is very nice. I have been using it and I loved it. That's actually why I'm talking about it. If you want to get this, go ahead and get it. You are not going to regret it. But it does not fight acne, meaning if you have active acne, you're suffering from active acne, this will not work for you because it doesn't contain salicylic acid. You can actually try the blemish clarifying one, the one that contains 2% salicylic acid. That one is going to be the best when it comes to fighting acne. This one does not have any salicylic acid or any strong acne fighting ingredients. So this is just for oil control and keeping your skin in check. But if you already have serious acne or you're dealing with serious acne, try to get the one that has 2% salicylic acid. That one is the best when it comes to fighting active acne. So guys, you have come to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also share this video if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.